BrightSign builds media players for the digital signage market, and the digital signage market is anytime you see a display outside the home. So whether that's in retail or a stadium or a museum, all those displays are being driven by something, and we're one of the leading vendors of media players into this market. Inside that media player is hardware and software combination that is unique to the market.
Within digital signage, that digital media player, which is what BrightSign does, is really what controls all of the magic that happens in digital signage. Customers choose BrightSign because of their reliability. Their alternatives are largely PC-based solutions that have problems with infections with viruses, crashing, security issues that require often a technician to come out and fix the problem on site. With BrightSign, because this is a purpose-built system with its own operating system, its own chip, it's far less vulnerable to those types of issues. It also has a lot of built-in self-healing mechanisms. The customer can remotely solve that issue for themselves without the need to have labor in the field.
BrightSign sells our devices into a lot of end markets. Some of the ones that are most noticeable are TV walls. So if you walk into Walmart, you see their TV walls being driven by our players. If you're walking the streets of New York or anywhere else, you see a Verizon store. Most of the displays in the Verizon stores are ours. We do a lot of that in retail, entertainment venues, sporting venues. The new SoFi Stadium has several thousand of our units. The Allegiant Stadium has several thousand units. When you walk around Levi Stadium, you see a lot of BrightSign players being used.
BrightSign is another great example of how we utilize our investment theme program to generate proprietary deal flow in interesting industry niches that are poised for growth. We started looking at digital signage in 2019. We saw it as a growth niche that we thought was very attractive. Started doing research, hired an MBA student to do an industry theme study, and then began to proactively reach out to the companies in the space that we saw as the most attractive.
As I was looking at the company, trying to take it to the next level, one of the things I was looking for was a financial partner to bring it to the next level. Graham Partners. It was one of the first partners that I talked to that really was focused on backing companies that actually built products. A lot of the companies I would talk to would be like, hey, can you tell me how we could convert your company into a software company? I'm like, that's not the direction. And Graham was like, we are a partner that backs companies that builds things and advanced technologies. And that really resonated with me because they really wanted to back our strategy versus trying to change our company.
Our investment thesis for BrightSign was really around helping the company continue to grow, both with their existing product line and the exciting new Intel chip-based product line. We think there's a huge growth opportunity ahead of the company. We've gotten folks involved on the operations side, the sales and marketing side, a variety of different areas.
In the past, we've underspent on marketing. So we've actually been working with some of the agencies that Graham has and bringing in partners to expand our marketing efforts. They're really providing a lot of operational expertise in helping us scale and look at different geographies to manufacture our product. What gets me personally excited about the future of BrightSign is we've been growing at a good pace over the years. And now with the financial backing that we have from Graham and the initiatives that they've helped put together, it gets me super excited in the morning to see our market growing, to see our product line growing. Every day I see new and interesting applications of our technology coming to life.